And then this is how you will change a dirt bike into an awesome supermoto. Let's get it all in shot. And if there is any demand, I'll do a comparison between the 300 and the 511. The 21-inch front spoke wheels and the Maxxis 80-100 tires were changed to Alpina 17-inch spoke wheels with Conti Attack SM 120/70 R17. And the reason why an Attack SM on the front is to get better grip, while at the back for better longevity. The back 18-inch spoke wheels and the Maxxis 140/80 tires were changed to Alpina 17-inch spoke wheels with Conti Sport Attack 2 160/60 ZR17, and I chose the Conti Attack for better longevity. The front 26cm front disc and the back 22cm disc were changed to the front disc is a 32cm wavy disc, and the back disc is a 22cm wavy disc. The back 50 teeth and the front 13 teeth and the chain were changed to front sprocket is a 14 teeth and the back sprocket is 38 teeth. And the chain, the DID chain, obviously you've got to change the chain because of the changes in the sprockets and so on. The front Brembo master cylinder and the front calipers Brembo were changed to the front master cylinder is a Brembo radial RCS, and the front calipers are Behringer 6-spot calipers, which are, by the way, are incredible. The off-road side stand was changed to a shorter side stand, and that mechanism where it just jumps up has been cancelled. It's just a standard side stand. The tail, which in this version has got the connections for the indicators, was changed to the tail is a shorter tail with no connections for indicators. The handguards were changed to nothing. I don't like handguards on street bikes. I really hate handguards. The standard pipe was changed to FMF racing pipe. Exhaust is Akrapovic. Also fitted a radiator fan with a temperature gauge, which is very good, especially if you want to ride it in traffic and so on. And then you get all the other stuff, such as shorter brake cables and clutch cables and all that stuff.